Okay, this is part C of the unit, or part 3 of the unit 4A test A review. So, not review, but answers. So here is a cylinder, and this particular cylinder is on its side, and we talked about this as Cavalier's principle, and we're just going to use this as my height. Okay, so in this case, the rate is 2 inch cylinder per squared pi times 2 5, and my count again round nearest tenth 4 times 5, and then I change 20 pi 62, and that's. Next one wanted the right. The volume is squared, then it's divided. The volume of cylinder form, I would divide 3. So I plug in my value, and I know slant, so I have Pythagoreans for the height. 6 plus h squared is equal to 36 squared is equal to 100, and h squared is going to equal 64, and so I know that the height of my triangle, or the height of my cone, is going to be 8. So instead of having 10 as my slant height, I have 8 as my height. And then I use my calculator, 36 times pi, because I squared 6 times 8, and then divided by 3. And it's 96 pi, and then to the nearest tenth is 301.6. And again, we're feet cubed, and over here would be inches cubed. Now, number 14 has to deal with the formulas of a cone and a cylinder. So this is my formula for the volume of a cylinder, pi r squared h. And then the volume of a cone is pi r squared h. So my same exact volume, but I divide it by 3. So if I know that this is 106, and then my cone is just pi r squared 3, 183 to 6 cubed. And for the volume is the volume divided by 3. Divided by 3. That kind of number 15. All I can cut, I can behind. So 15 is a radius, listeners, within 50 miles. So 50 miles is going to be a radius, because from the tower, being the center being 0, 0, it's going to reach 50 miles in every direction. So I just said that always in these word problems, make the center 0, 0 always. So in this case, my equations, x squared plus y squared is equal to 50 squared, and so x squared plus y squared is equal to 2500. Now, it wants you to know, will Alex receive the signal? Now, Alex lives 25 miles east and 42 miles south. So there's my x value and my y value, and I'm plugging it in. 25 squared plus 42 squared. And I have to see what that value is. So 25 squared plus 42 squared. And my answer is 2,389. And because when I compare these two numbers, 2,389 is less than 100 music. It tells you justify if you did not just by the value you give you credit because you just or no. Did know it.